Now, let's configure the sale notification add-on in Store 1. This add-on helps build customer trust, create urgency, and improve conversions. First, enable the module with this button. From the Settings tab, you can enable or disable the notification rule anytime using the status option. Next, choose the data source. You can display notifications using real orders from your WooCommerce store or create custom fake orders manually. When real order is selected, you can control how many products should appear in the notifications. You can also choose the time range, such as showing orders from the last 24 hours. The order status option allows you to select which order statuses should be included in the notifications. You can also manually add selected products to the notification list. If needed, you can exclude specific products from displaying in the sale notifications. Now, if you select fake order as the data source, you can manually create custom sales notifications. Here, you can enter the customer name, customer address, and the time when the product was purchased. Using the product source option, you can either select products directly from your store or use custom product details. You can then search and choose the product you want to display inside the notification pop-up. After creating an order, you can create another order using the Add button or simply duplicate the order to inherit its properties. On the right side, you can instantly preview different notification styles. This helps you quickly choose a notification design that matches your store layout. Now, let's move to the Notification tab. Here, you can customize the content and behavior of the sales notification pop-up. The first field controls the bold text section to highlight text, while the second field controls the normal notification message. Under notification timing, you can set how long each notification stays visible using the display duration option. The delay between notifications setting controls the time gap before the next pop-up appears. Next, choose the notification position to decide where the pop-up should appear on the website, such as bottom right, bottom left, or top corners. In the Behavior Settings section, you can control the initial delay before notifications start appearing. By enabling random delay, the pop-up timing will vary automatically, making the notifications look more natural and realistic. You can also choose the notification animation style for smooth pop-up transitions. The Loop Notifications option continuously rotates the notifications for better engagement and visibility. Now, let's move to the Visibility tab. Here, you can choose where the sale notifications should appear using the Trigger Type option. You can also exclude specific products from displaying notifications by enabling the Exclude Products option and selecting the products you want to hide. In the Device Visibility section, you can control where you want to display notifications, such as desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. Now, let's move to the Style tab. Here, you can fully customize the appearance of the sale notification pop-up. You can change the background color, title color, text color, and delay bar color to match your store branding. The padding option helps adjust the spacing inside the pop-up for a cleaner layout. Under the Border section, you can customize the border style, border color, border width, and border radius for rounded corners. These styling options help you create a professional and visually appealing sales notification pop-up for your website. You can also create multiple notification rules by clicking on Add New Notification Rule or by duplicating an existing rule and customizing it separately. After all, save changes and check the final preview of the sale notification add-on. Here, the sales pop-up appears automatically on the website with customer and product details, creating real-time social proof for visitors. Each notification stays visible for the configured duration and then smoothly disappears before the next notification appears. Thanks for watching the documentation walkthrough.